Everyone knows what resistance is, and if not, don't worry. In few minutes you'll have the same knowledge as me, or even more. With this knowledge, you'll outperform every single trader out there, since they don't know the secrets I'm about to tell you. Of course, if they didn't watch this video. Now to the point. Resistance is a key price level where trades are rejected, indicating a potential turning point in the market. To draw this level on a chart, we look for significant swings in price movement. And here it is. As we can see, at this price level, trades were rejected many times. We can safely mark it as a resistance level. That means, in this area, there is high probability that the price will get rejected again. Personally, I wouldn't go long on this asset since there is high probability of rejection. And boom, it was a good decision. With just one resistance, and also 10 more indicators, we could predict what was about to happen. Well, but why did our resistance really prevent the price from going up? Does it mean what happened in the past will happen in the future? Nope. Prices move up because there is more demand than supply. As the prices move higher, there will come a point when selling will overwhelm the desire to buy. This happens for a variety of reasons. It could be that traders have determined that prices are too high or have met their target. Let's say 100 people decide to sell their asset for $10 each to make a profit. But why would anyone buy it at that price if it is being considered as high? Well, there might be few buyers, but not many. So, at $10, there is a lot of sellers, but not many buyers. That's what we call resistance. But it's not always like that. If the asset keeps going and confirms the breakout, our resistance turns into support. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is support? It's basically the opposite of resistance. At this level, the price is likely to stop and bounce back because there's more demand than supply. The stronger the resistance was, the stronger the support becomes now. Remember, every support is resistance and every resistance is support. The key thing is whether we are above or below that level. It could be a single level or a zone. It doesn't matter. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe or leave a comment. Your support means a lot. Thank you and goodbye.